Hey, English learners. Welcome back to the English podcast for learning English naturally, while building a better life, step by step. I'm Erin.
And I'm Ben. If you're new, hi! We don't just teach English. We teach confidence, discipline, growth, and life.
So hit subscribe, because today you are not just learning English.
You're learning how to take your time back.
All right. Quick question for you. Do you ever feel like life is running and you're trying to catch it, but somehow it's still faster than you?
Like time is on a motorcycle, and you're just walking slowly with your coffee.
Exactly. We all say, I don't have time. But listen, you do have time. You just never learned how to protect it and shape it.
And today, we fix that, together. We're talking about how to make time for everything, even when life is busy.
And by the way, this is not a boring productivity lecture. No pressure. No guilt. No, wake up at 4 a.m. and run 10 kilometers advice.
Nope, not here. This is real life. Small steps, steady progress, and that calm, confident feeling when you start taking control again.
Imagine this. You wake up tomorrow and instead of rushing, you breathe. You know your plan. You know your priorities. You feel light, focused, and peaceful.
That already feels better. And if you're thinking, that's impossible for me, stay with us. You'll see how possible it really is.
Let's begin. So let's start with something simple. Most people don't actually have a time problem.
No, they have a brain traffic problem.
Yes, like a huge highway inside your head. Cars honking, thoughts shouting, "Don't forget me," from every lane.
And you're just standing there like a confused traffic police officer. Everyone go. No, wait, you go. No, hold on.
Exactly. When your mind feels crowded like that, even a normal day feels heavy.
Right. It's like trying to cook in a messy kitchen. You have space, but your brain feels, nope, can't do it.
Yes. And last week I woke up like that. Brain full, stress already sitting next to me like, "Good morning, I'm back."
Before coffee, before brushing teeth, stress arrives early.
Right. So instead of letting chaos win, I tried something simple. And honestly, it changed my mornings.
Ooh, morning magic. Tell us.
I wrote my top 3 tasks before doing anything. Just 3. Not a huge list. Not a life plan. 3.
3 feels friendly. 3 feels possible.
So the tip is start your day by writing your top 3 tasks. It gives your brain a calm road to drive on.
Yes. A calm mind equals a calm day. A confused mind equals chaos, panic, and emotional snacks.
Snacks are emotional support, okay? They are part of the healing. So first step, clear your mind.
Right. Clean the mental kitchen.
But even with a clean mind?
Time can still run away.
Yeah. Sneaky little time thief. We think we don't have time. But actually, it escapes in tiny moments.
Like tiny leaks in a bucket. Drip, drip, drip. And there goes your day.
Exactly. Like one morning I said, "I'll check my phone for 5 minutes."
5 minutes? Sure. That's the danger sentence.
And yes, 45 minutes later, I was watching a cat play piano.
Hey, that cat has talent, though.
True, but my productivity did not. Scrolling, daydreaming, refreshing messages for no reason.
And suddenly cleaning your room becomes your new passion project.
Oh, yes. I don't want to work, so let me clean everything energy.
It's like your time is money in your wallet, and you're dropping coins everywhere without noticing.
Yes. Little leaks, big time loss.
So the tip is, put your phone away for the first 30 minutes of your day.
Right. Let your mind wake up before your notifications do.
First you, then the world.
And focus on just one thing first. Then you can scroll.
Yeah, win first, scroll later.
So now we cleared mental noise.
And we stopped the tiny time leaks.
But even when we have time...
Sometimes our brain still says, nope, not today.
Yes! You look at a task and suddenly you feel tired just looking at it.
Yes, like the task whispers, fear me.
So instead of waiting for motivation...
We create it.
Right. The 10-minute rule.
The magic rule. Let's go.
Tell yourself, I will do this for just 10 minutes.
10 minutes isn't scary. 10 minutes feels safe, doable.
And usually, after 10 minutes, something amazing happens.
You keep going.
Or even if you stop, guess what?
You still win, because you started.
Yes, starting is the victory.
Tiny steps build big lives.
So the tip is, when your brain says, not today, you say, just 10 minutes.
Just start. Softly. No pressure, no rush. Just begin.
Okay, so we cleared our mind.
We protected our time.
And we learned how to start even when we don't feel ready.
Next, when is the best time to work?
Yes, the power hour.
Let's talk about it.
So here's a secret nobody teaches us. You don't need more time. You need more energy for the time you already have.
Yes. Because if your battery is at 5%, even 10 free hours won't help.
Exactly. Ever had a whole free day and still did nothing?
Oh, yes. I'll have a free Saturday and suddenly I'm horizontal. Just thinking about thinking.
Yes. Time isn't the issue. It's that your internal battery is empty.
It's like having a perfectly good car, but there's no fuel. The car isn't the problem. The tank is empty.
So the tip is, protect your energy first. Water, stretch, light movement. Even 2 slow breaths can reset your whole brain.
A tiny reset is still a reset.
Remember, rest doesn't waste time.
Rest creates time.
So we have energy. Now we must use it wisely.
Yes, now we get strategic.
Everyone has a power hour. That one time in the day when you shine.
Your golden window. Your magic hour. When your brain says, let's do this.
For many people, it's morning. For others, evening. And some, midnight productivity ninjas.
That's me. At 1 a.m., I suddenly become Albert Einstein.
Yes. So here's the rule. Find your power hour and protect it like treasure.
Phone off, notifications off, world on pause, you on focus mode.
Because when your best energy hits your best hour,
You create magic.
so the tip is, give yourself 1 hour to focus. No multitasking, no switching, just one thing.
Your power hour builds your powerful life.
But there's one big danger here.
People.
Yep. People, messages, requests, things pulling your attention.
So how do we protect our time from other humans?
Most of us lose our time because we can't say no.
We say yes to everything, and then wonder, why am I drowning?
You cannot build your life if you spend all your time living someone else's.
Say that again.
You cannot build your life by living inside everyone else's plans.
So the tip is, say no softly and kindly. Like, I'd love to, but not right now. Can we do this later? I need to finish something first.
That's not rude. It's self-respect. It's time respect.
Boundaries aren't walls. They are doors you control.
Say yes to yourself first.
Because your time matters, and your life deserves space.
So far, we've built focus.
Protected our energy.
used power hours.
and learned gentle, strong boundaries.
Now comes the heart of everything.
Being kind to yourself, because change takes time.
Let's talk about it. So here's something we all need to hear. Even with all these tips, some days will feel hard.
Yeah, some days your brain will say, I can't do this today, and that's okay.
Growth is not a straight line. It's not fast. It's not perfect. It's human.
Human, exactly. We're not machines. We don't download discipline. We practice it.
And we mess up. We try again. We fall. We stand. We keep learning.
You don't fail when you slow down. You only fail when you give up on yourself.
Be patient with yourself. Talk to yourself the way you would talk to someone you love.
Someone you love, because you deserve that kindness too.
So the tip here is celebrate tiny wins. Forgive tiny mistakes. Keep going. Softly, slowly, bravely.
If all you did today was breathe, rest, and try again tomorrow, that's still progress.
You don't need to rush your growth. You just need to stay in the journey.
And every day, even a slow day, you're still moving forward.
Step by step, minute by minute, and with every tiny effort,
You grow. Okay, I feel emotional now, like a soft, motivational potato.
a very wise potato. And I hope everyone listening feels that too. Not pressure, but peace.
You don't need to do everything today. You just need to try one thing.
And that is enough. You are enough, and your time is becoming yours again.
What a deep episode. If you're still here, thank you for listening with your heart.
Yeah, we're proud of you. Even listening to this means you care about your growth.
Remember, time is not running away from you.
You're learning how to walk with it, step by step.
If this episode helped you, give us a like and subscribe. Your support means more than you know.
And comment below. What is one small habit you'll start tomorrow?
Take a deep breath. You're doing better than you think.
We'll see you in the next episode.
Keep learning. Keep growing.
Your progress doesn't end here. To continue advancing your English skills, click on the next video or explore the additional videos we've thoughtfully selected for you.